Hi, welcome back to the show. Well, for now, the market is still under quite a bit of pressure, you'd have to say. The Sensex is still down about 230 odd points. No great recovery, and Equitas and Ujjivan are your top losers in trade. We'll discuss that in greater detail. But in the meantime, Intellect Design Arena posted a strong set of Q2 numbers. The revenue growth has come in at over 20%, and the margins have also hit the double-digit mark, coming in at 10%. Arun Jain, the chairman and managing director of the company, is with us. Mr. Jain, good morning. You had guided for an FY19 revenue growth of over 20% in the last quarter. Now, the first half of the year, you've done a 24% growth. So would you like to raise your full year guidance?
Yeah, sure. I think that's a typical expectation of it. So some of the guidance will be raised, but I think this quarter raising 42% is a moment of celebration for us. After a long time, we are able to cross that hump of 30%, and some of it comes from the rupee. But 30% growth in dollar terms itself is a major growth point. And other important point is our license growth of the quarter is 96%. For a product and technology company, that is a major indicator that how much money you are getting from license. And this quarter alone, we got 116 crore of license revenue itself. It may be the highest in the Indian sector. And 42% may be the fastest growth company of in India in IT or among many companies, many sectors.
Okay. Mr. Jain, good morning. Is this a maintainable trend in terms of the income from licenses?
Yeah, that's what it is. I think what is happening, if you observe, Lata, over the period of time, deal sizes are going up. So we are focusing on lesser deals but larger deal sizes. And each deal size has a more license component, which is 50% comes from license in each deal size. And each license is at a premium value. So these three factors which are coming in our favor is driving our growth, and sustainability is coming in because we are now increasing our destiny deal pipeline, which was 22 deals pipeline 1 year back. Now it's a 35 such deals are there in the pipeline, which are destiny deals. They may be up and down of a quarter A here and quarter B there, but on an annualized basis, we are seeing a healthy traction because in GTB pipeline, where Finestra is our competitor in UK-based company, they are 15,000 crore company. Intellect still is a 1,500 crore on run rate basis. If I extrapolate 380 crore for annualized basis, it's 1,500 crore. So the gap is what in olden time Infosys used to see between global company versus Indian company. That's what we are seeing in this sector.
Okay, so you started the conversation by saying that in all likelihood you would do better than your 20% guidance. How much better do you think it could be on the revenue front, and also on the margins? Do you think you will surpass this 10% margin that you've clocked in this time?
Yeah, sure. I think both the numbers we are looking positive. If I look at 12 months, next 12 months forward figure, our EBITDA should go to 15%, around 15%. On dollar terms revenue for next period, for the whole year, we may do 25% in dollar terms. So that's the two possibilities we are seeing as of now. These are not the guidance really, because we stopped giving the guidance because of the large destiny deals are there. But that's the current visibility what we have.
Okay. Mr. Jain, we'll leave it at that. It's a blockbuster number and music to the ears of the market, which is getting a little, which is facing a famine of good news. And therefore, this is most welcome that the numbers are almost blockbuster. It's got about a 2% thumbs up from the market. But the rest of the market, of course, is still lingering in pain. 10,038, 39. So 10,020 has held only for now. Advanced declines improved a little. It was almost rushing towards over 3 stocks in the red for 1 in the green. Now it's 2 stocks in the red. So things have just ameliorated a wee bit. We take a break. We are coming back and looking at, again, the pain point sector, NBFCs. Jaspal Bindra, Executive Chairman of Centrum Group, will join in to discuss the space.